In this question, the average age of class is 35 years. 6 new students with an average age of 33 years join in that class, thereby decreasing the average by half year. What was the original strength? See, we don't know the original strength, but we know the strength of the new people, that is 6, right? So we consider them two groups. The first group with the average age of 35 years, the second group with the average age of 30 years, right? So the one group, the second group, right? And overall average is now what? See, we are mixing these two groups, and what is the new average? That is decreasing the average by half year. That means the new average is 34.5, right? Initially the average was 35. Now we are mixing these two groups, so now the new average has come down by half. So that's 34.5, right? So we are using alligation method to solve this problem. That will make the problem very easy to do, right? And in seconds we can do that. This is the original group, this is the average of original group, this is the average of new group, and this is the average of overall, right? So 35 minus 34.5, that's 0.5, and this is 1.5. So this ratio must be 3:1. Now we know this one. This is actually 6. That is number of students over here. If this is 6, this must be 18. So the new strength is 24 and the original strength is 18. Right? So problem can be solved very easily in seconds if you use alligation method. I repeat once again. This is the average of the original group. This is the average of the new group. This new group is having 6 students, and this is the average of overall. Right? This plus this. Okay. So we have got the ratio, that is 3:1. The new group is containing 6 students. That means, and the ratio is 3:1. That means the original group is containing 18 students. Now the new strength is 24. Original is 18. Okay. That's very simple. I hope you are clear.